It's a cliche to say that the children are our tomorrow, but indeed they are.
Every dollar that we spend before they get to kindergarten, the return is $17 back to society.
An investment in the beginning and the foundation of a child's life is the greatest investment you can make in their lives.
It's important for PNC Bank because today's kids are tomorrow's leaders in our community, and also there are employees that will be helping make this community a better place to live and work. The PNC Grow Up Great program is designed for kids from birth to age 5 to help them for success in school and life. We have distributed over $55 million so far.
Dance education for them is a natural progression, and they get to express themselves creatively, which is really important for young children.
They're the foundational years. They're the years when children begin to learn the value systems. It's a time when parents can really develop their theme of protection.
And in northeastern Pennsylvania, there are so many great and wonderful hidden treasures that we like to talk about in the magazine that can expose our children to wonderful positive experiences.
Happenings magazine is a great magazine. Not only is creative in itself and really eye-catching, but it is informative, and it really hits the heart of northeastern Pennsylvania, its people and its interests.
It's a great way to promote the area, and it's a quality venue.
And because we feel that you have a conscience, a social conscience, in producing what you do in Happenings, there's always new knowledge. There's always verification of individuals who want to find their place in child advocacy, for example. And because you have that literary conscience and you're getting a very important message out to the communities, we are honored that you are helping us participate in that.
We need great leaders here in northeastern Pennsylvania, and they're preschoolers right now, and so we all need to work together to develop them.